Welcome back to this YouTube channel, Maru's Tech. In this video, I'm going to be dealing with my Ugandans who are activated to KYC. And if you're not activated, I can help you and activate your SIM card to KYC. Airtel know your customer. Now, there is a simple question that is moving around. Many of my viewers are asking me, why do these VPN applications for us who are activated at KYC work only at night? Let me show you something right here. I'm going to try to set up a VPN application called Big Boss VPN. Let us open Google Play Store and download it. It may be you may be using another VPN, for example, HTTP Custom VPN, and other VPNs usually upload here on my YouTube channel. Because I upload many VPN applications, now let us first install this VPN application, and I show you how you can set it up, and it works even at night. Don't forget to give me a like. Don't forget to give me a subscription for more tutorials like this. So let us wait for this application to download. As we wait for this application to download, I just request you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel. Share this video to your friend who you may be having a friend who was being disturbed by this issue. That is it. Let us wait for this to finish downloading, and I show you how you must be setting this application to work even during the day. Give it some seconds to download. Keep in mind that this tutorial is for research, informational, demonstrational purposes only. You users are requested to follow local laws, internet service providers' terms and conditions, and the community guidelines. Now it has finished downloading. Now open your VPN application. Now if you open it, you're going to allow all permissions. This is an example of a VPN. You may be having another VPN, but I'm going to demonstrate this. So you can join their Telegram channel, or you are free to do anything you want, but to keep up with the important updates, join their Telegram channel. And now listen carefully. You're going to come first foremost, going to update the servers. As I directed you in the previous tutorials, choose the online method, and then after you're going to come and choose a server. You're going to make sure you choose the auto select server. Don't just move around with other servers. Keep in the auto select server. Now if you choose the auto select server, you're going to come right here where you see all countries, eSIM and block. Now listen, but we haven't updated the servers because I'm not seeing. Let us wait for it to update the servers. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video and share it to your friend. Give it some few seconds to update, and once updated, you're going to be seeing the servers that will be working for our country. Let us update. This process of updating servers needs a running data bundle. Keep that in your keep it behind your brains. Let me try to connect on this one. I want to show you something, but it needs when I have updated the servers. Now the servers have been updated successfully, as you see. Now we're going to set up. I'm going to be explaining why they work only at night. Now you see these servers, those in Uganda, they don't work at night. I'm going to be showing you. Now if you choose this one as your server, It will give you a faster speed, but it will be limited to only 3 GB. Now, the time comes at night when you have used all the data bundle. But if you choose this one, it works. And even at night, it works. Even you can look in your APN settings for Airtel. Let me show you. You can fix the APN settings you are using. Don't use the IMS when you have if you have learn from home. No, if you have Airtel like this one of mine, go to advanced and choose access point names. Then these are the APN settings you're going to be using. These ones, the name must be Airtel with a capital A and Uganda. That is it. Save that one. The APN must be internet. Don't use IMS, because once you use IMS, you may get some problems. Use the Airtel official one. That is it. And maybe if you have any question, you can ask in the comment section. I'm going to be directing you on how to do it. That one you want to ask. So that is it. Let us meet in the next tutorial. I'm Marustic and I sign out.